Hello everybody. Gosh, it's cold here today in Broadstairs, but it's nearly Christmas, so what do we expect? But here, to cheer us up, is the latest Tree of Life. So over the years, there was one with an egg in a nest, and then there was one where it hatched and became a cuckoo. There was a pink one. There was two hoopoo ones. There was a Canadian one. There was a family one where all the creatures represented different members of the family. This one is an Australian one. So we've got some lovely Australian birds. We've got the Rosala parrot. Where's he gone? He's there. We've got the blue wren. Lots of budgerigars. But best of all, we've got the cockatoos representing my clients. And as usual, I've written a verse to accompany the piece, which goes like this. The Australian Tree of Life. My client Kylie, well, I had to encourage her to include Dandelion, her pet budgerigar. Over the years, I've made a flock or two, but this one contains a cockatoo.